Hello everyone, this is Bhumika Parekh from Leal Public School and today's topic is active and passive voice. With active and passive voice, we need to understand that we'll be talking about how these sentences change accordingly. Okay? दोनों का जो meaning है in active and passive voice will always be same. Okay? The only way of writing will change. Before continuing forward, we need to understand the meaning of active and passive. The word meanings of active and passive. Active basically means when something is in action. कोई भी चीज जब action के अंदर है तब it is called active, and when it is in a non-action mode or in a lazy mode basically, so that is called passive. When I'm teaching and I'm doing something, I'm in active mode. But when I'm just sitting idly, मैं बिना कुछ काम करे बस एक जगह पे अगर बैठी हूँ, so that is my passive mode. Okay, so active and passive is clear. Now both are the same ways of writing, both are just the ways of writing the same thing. The meaning will be the same always, just the format of writing will change. For example, one example we are going to take of active and one of passive. For example, cats catch mice. सिंपल सा सेंटेंस है, एकदम सिंपल, वेरी बेसिक. कैट्स कैच माइस. बिल्ली जो है वो चूहे पकड़ती है. एकदम सिंपल सी बात है, कोई इसके अंदर रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है. दिस इज अ वेरी बेसिक सेंटेंस. दिस इज इन एक्टिव फॉर्म. सेम सेंटेंस इफ वी आर राइटिंग इन पैसिव फॉर्म, इट बिकम्स mice are caught by cats. Mice are caught by cats. इसके अंदर भी हम यही बात कर रहे हैं, पकड़ा कौन जा रहा है? चूहे. और पकड़ कौन रहा है? cat. The mice are being caught and the cats are catching mice. दोनों जगह में यही हो रहा है कि पकड़ने का जो काम है वो तो कैट ही कर रही है. पकड़ कौन रहा है? कैट ही रही है. और माइस जो है वो पकड़े ही जा रहे हैं. ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है कि इसके अंदर माइस जाके कैट को पकड़ रहे हैं. That's not happening. ठीक है? But the difference is the way it is presented. Now why active passive? Because the most important part of the sentence is its subject. In this form, this is an active mode. Subject यहाँ पे active mode में है और इसके अंदर जो subject है that goes in passive mode. Here we are showing the action which is done by the action the subject is doing. यहाँ हम क्या बता रहे हैं कि action जो है वो कौन कर रहा है? Subject कर रहा है. But here we are showing that the object has been action. Object के ऊपर action किया जा रहा है. इसको यहाँ पे importance या इसको यहाँ पे active mode में डाल दिया गया है. ठीक है? और जो cats है या जो subject है that is put into the passive mode. This is the basic difference between active and passive. Cats catch mice and mice are caught by the cats. Let's take another example to understand this more appropriately. हरि कॉल्ड ऋषि. हरि ने ऋषि को बुलाया. तो काम कौन कर रहा है यहाँ पर? हरि कर रहा है. इंपॉर्टेंस किसको मिल रही है? हरि को, विच इज द सब्जेक्ट. हरि क्या है? हमारा सब्जेक्ट है. तो इंपॉर्टेंस किसको मिल रहा है? हरि को. कि हरि ने क्या किया? हरि ने जो है वो काम किया ऋषि को बुलाने का. ठीक है? इफ वी चेंज इट इनटू पैसिव, in the second sentence we see Rishi was called by Hari. तो यहां से सारा जो एक्शन है ठीक है, वो किस पे शिफ्ट हो गया है, ऋषि पे। एक्शन किया किसने, इसमें भी एक्शन हरि ने ही किया है और इसमें भी हरि ने ही किया है। बुलाने का जो काम है वो किसने किया है, हरि ने ही किया है। बट व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज दैट हियर वी आर पॉइंटिंग टुवर्ड्स द एक्शन दैट इज डन बाय द सब्जेक्ट। यहाँ पे हम उस एक्शन की तरफ पॉइंट आउट कर रहे हैं जो सब्जेक्ट ने किया है, एंड हियर वी आर पॉइंटिंग आउट टुवर्ड्स द एक्शन दैट हैज हैपेंड टू द ऑब्जेक्ट। इसमें हम ये बता रहे हैं सब्जेक्ट ने काम किया, और इसके अंदर हम बता रहे हैं कि ऑब्जेक्ट के सब्जेक्ट के साथ में काम हुआ। ठीक है, here we are talking that Hari did something, and here we are talking something happened to Rishi. ठीक है, in active voice what we are doing is in this sentence Hari called Rishi, we are saying that the subject did some action. सब्जेक्ट ने कुछ काम किया, बट इन पैसिव वॉइस वी आर सेइंग कि सब्जेक्ट के साथ में कुछ हो गया। ऋषि वॉज कॉल्ड बाय हरि, कॉलिंग का काम तो अभी भी हरि ही कर रहा है, लेकिन यहाँ पे हम बता रहे हैं कि हरि ने काम किया, और यहाँ हम बता रहे हैं कि ऋषि के साथ में काम हुआ। ठीक है, आई होप दिस वॉज क्लियर नाउ। Now what we need to understand is that how the sentences are changed. Active to passive जो changing है वो कैसे होती है? It's a very simple rule. There are a few set of rules for changing the verb, and rest is a very simple rule. For example, let's take one basic sentence, the lion killed the deer. Lion ने deer को मारा. Simple सा sentence है. This is the subject and this is the object. Okay? Lion जो है वो subject है और deer जो है वो object है. एकदम basic इतना सही difference है. Now what we do is we bring the object to the place of the subject and we take the subject to the object's place. इसको पूरा हम क्या कर देते हैं, क्रॉस कर देते हैं. Subject जो है that comes to the object's place and the object comes to the subject's place. Okay? So the subject is the object was the deer. So the deer will come in the place of the subject and the subject will go to the object's place. First change, then ये जो है the verb will change according to the rules which we are going to see in the next part. ठीक है, rules के हिसाब से हम देखेंगे कौन सा verb कौन से form में change होता है. ठीक है, I'm just writing the answer right now. Killed will become was killed. Now what has happened is the deer killed का जो form है हमने change कर दिया, was killed, and the lion. Now the subject has actually been distanced from the sentence. Subject का और sentence के बीच का जो connection है वो टूट गया है यहाँ पे. To make that connection, we use one word throughout passive voice, and that word is by. ये by हम use करते हैं as a conjunction to join this section to the X subject. ये पहले subject था, अब तो object हो गया. ठीक है, तो इसको हम क्या करते हैं, इस to join this object with the rest of the sentence we use one conjunction and that conjunction is by. So it will become the lion was killed by the deer was killed by the lion. Okay, I hope this changing procedure was also clear to all of you. Now we'll see which verb changes into which form. We'll take one verb and then we'll see how each sentence changes. Okay. Let's take the verb catch. If the verb is catch or catches, it changes into is, am, are, caught. Catch, catches changes into is, am, are to show the past, present tense, and then to caught. Then we have do, does. It might have a negative form also. Catch. This is again the same. Is, am, are, caught. If negative is there, then it can also take the negative. Okay, negative is always, if there's this negative in passive, active, then it will come into the passive also. This was for simple present tense. ठीक है, अब जैसे ही caught आ जाएगा, verb second form, it will change into was / were caught. ये तो caught as it is रहेगा, साथ में और दो इंडिकेटिव हम पास्ट टेंस के दे देंगे. Not caught अगर आता है तो यहां पर भी ये not लग जाएगा. ठीक है. Then we have did not catch. ठीक है. Did not catch का क्या हो जाएगा? Was, were not caught. Negative तो you can understand very easily. Then if it is, am, are, positive or negative, anything. Catching. When it comes into the continuous form, so it will take is, am, are, being. This we have to keep in the participle form, but we also have to show this ing here. So that is why we are using being. Okay, if the ing is there, so this. Similarly, is, am, are की जगह पे if there is was, were, so it will become was, were, not, being, caught. Was, were, not, being, caught. Okay, this was the first part of it. Present simple will change in, will have the helping verb or auxiliaries as present simple only. It will just take the second form of verb. No, not जो है वो यहाँ पे as it is लगता जाएगा. अगर है तो do, does, catch, वो is, am, are, no, caught. ठीक है. Did not, caught है अगर तो was, were, caught. अगर no लगाना है, नेगेटिव करना है तो did not लगेगा तो was, were, not caught. Is, am, are, catching or not catching, same thing. Is, am, are, अगर not लगा हुआ है वहां पे तो it will again take not or being caught. Was, were, not, depends on the active. Was, were, not, being caught. So basically one thing which we are seeing in common is that the second form is coming almost everywhere. ठीक है. सेकेंड फॉर्म जो है वो सब जगह यहाँ पर आ रही है. Then we'll see for the perfect tenses. When we have has, have, got, not is again optional. Not again optional. Will take been. Has, have not been caught. Had, not optional. Caught, it will again take had, not been caught or had been caught. If there is to catch, it becomes to be caught. This was the basic change which we saw will be there. Okay. Next, what we are going to do is we are going to take one sentence for each tense. हम हर टेंस के साथ में एक सेंटेंस लेंगे और उसके बाद में we will say how it changes. Okay. Another thing which you need to see is there is a change in pronouns. Pronouns जो होते हैं उसके अंदर एक change आता है which changes from its subjective to its objective form. For example, I and we. First person है and it is subjective form. It will change into me and us. First person ही है but this is objective form. Okay. You will remain you only. He will becomes him. She becomes her. They becomes them. And it as you is it remains the same. ठीक है. तो ये जब है I जब सब्जेक्ट से उठ के ऑब्जेक्ट की पोजीशन में जाता है I like cricket. I like cricket supposingly. Supposingly I am taking the sentence I like cricket. तो ये जो ऑब्जेक्ट है और ये सब्जेक्ट है तो ऑब्जेक्ट सब्जेक्ट की जगह पे आएगा cricket because it is singular is liked by to join it. Now I is the subject here but this pronoun is in subjective point of view. इसको जब हम subject से object पे लेके आएंगे तो from this will become I to me. This is the change that comes into pronouns. This was basically what active passive is. In the next class, we are going to see for each tense how it changes. Present all four forms, past all four forms, and future all four forms. Remember that there might be some tenses which might not change into passive. ऐसे भी कुछ tenses हो सकते हैं जो passive में change नहीं होते. So just go through all of this, and I hope everything was clear to you till here. In the next class, we'll move forward with the topic. Thank you so much.